Reading method. Today our group here would like to make a presentation about our project clinic management system. First and foremost, I would like to introduce our project manager, Chong Hui-Sing, design engineer and implementation manager, Teacher Ming, functional manager, Chong Hui-Sing, and training lead, Sun Wing-Xian. Now, allow me to explain the purpose of my project. The primary object is to develop a comprehensive and highly efficient clinic management system that promotes effective communication and streamline operation among doctors, manager, nurse, and the pharmacy department. This system aims to enhance patient care by facilitating seamless record keeping, providing instant access to medical history, establishing quick communication channels, and optimizing the dispensing of medication. By reducing error, minimizing paper-based work, and improving overall functionality, the system will optimize workflow and contribute to the overall improvement of the clinic. Our project encompasses several goals and objectives. Firstly, we aim to design and truly test a new clinic management system within the next 90 days. This includes conducting rigorous testing to ensure its functionality and efficiency. Secondly, we are committed to completing the implementation of the new system within the following 120 days, ensuring a smooth transition from the existing system to the new one. Lastly, a key objective of our project is to achieve a significant reduction of 50% in processing time and cost by leveraging the capability of this advanced system. After successfully building the system, it will improve our workflow and productivity. By automating routine administrative tasks such as appointment reminders, billing, and inventory management, a clinic management system frees up valuable time for healthcare professionals. This leads to improved workflow and increased productivity, allowing doctor, nurse, and pharmacy to focus more on patient care. Apart from that, it will accurate medical record and improve data analysis. A digital clinic management system will help maintain accurate and up-to-date medical record, including patient history, diagnosis, treatments, and prescription. Additionally, the system can generate reports and perform data analysis, offering insight into patient demography, treatment outcome, and inventory management. Besides that, we will have an effective inventory management. With a clinic management system, doctor can electronically generate and send prescription to pharmacies, reducing the chance of error or misinterpretation. Pharmacies can easily access and verify the prescription, ensuring accurate dispensing and minimizing medication-related risks. So now I would like to introduce the Gantt chart of our project. This is the Gantt chart in our project. Our project timeline is structured as follows. During week 1, we initiate the project and commence requirement gathering and analysis. This project continues until week 3, allowing us to truly gather and analyze all the necessary requirements. Concurrently, from week 2 to week 4, we began designing the database system interface to ensure a robust foundation for our project. Following the completion of the design phase, we allocate approximately 4 weeks to the development of the system, ensuring the implementation of all essential features. Simultaneously, we dedicate 3 weeks to comprehensive testing and debugging, ensuring the reliability and functionality of the system. In week 9 and week 10, we conduct final testing and focus on resolving any remaining bug or issue from week 11 until week 12. We proceed with the development of the solution, ensuring a smooth and successful implementation. At the end of the week 12, our project reached its final stage, and we proudly declare its total completion. So that's all for the explanation of the Gantt chart. Now, my teammate Chong Hui-Sing will be explain about the business flow.
Good evening, madam. My name is Chong Hui-Sing, and now I will continue present the business flow for the UTeM clinic management system. First of all, we can see that there are 4 users in this system, which are manager, pharmacist, doctor, and nurse. All of these users can log in and log out from the system. The pharmacist, doctor, and nurse can take attendance by using this system so that the manager can check the staff attendance. Manager also can manage staff account, receive requests from pharmacists, view and manipulate medicine inventory. The pharmacist can view and update medicine inventory, request for medicine inventory to the manager. Pharmacists also can receive and check prescription from the doctor, update patient allergic session, and print invoice. The doctor can view patient appointments, make and arrange appointments, manage patient records. If patient requests MC, the system will produce e-medical cert and pass to the nurse so that the nurse can print it out. After the system produces e-medical cert, the doctor can give prescription by using this system, and the prescription will pass to the pharmacist. Last is nurse. Nurse can view patient appointments, make and arrange appointments, and also view patient records. Next is functional requirements. The first functional requirements is manage appointments. The doctor and nurse can view all the patient appointments. They also can make and arrange the appointments. Second is manage staff account. The manager can register, update, and delete the account of the staff from the system. Last is manage medicine inventory. The pharmacist and manager can check for the availability of the medicine inventory, update the detail of the medicine and the quantity of the medicine. Then is non-functional requirements. First is security. The system needs user identification to recognize themselves using their unique email and password. Any manipulation of appointments record can be done by nurses and doctors only. Second is maintainability. The system provides high efficiency for data backup. The system will track mistake and keep a log of it. Last is performance. The system should just take at most 10 seconds to load or render the home page fully under heavy load. The user interface acknowledged with 5 seconds. For the project methodology that we choose is Agile methodology. Why we choose this is because by choosing Agile methodology, we can specifically the Scrum for our UTeM clinic management system. We can ensure a flexible, collaborative, iterative development process that accommodates changes, deliver value at each stage, and promote continuous to our system.
Good evening, madam. My name is Chung Hui Sing, and I will now present the use case diagram in the SRS. So there are many use cases listed in the use case diagram, but here I will just list that out and present what we do and what we choose the use case. So for the first one is manage appointment. In the manage appointment use case, the actor is doctor and nurse. Description is the floor for doctors and nurses to view, create, update, and delete appointments for patients. So before this use case starts, the doctor and nurse should log in through his or her account to get access to the patient's appointment records after attendance is taken. So after this use case, the doctor and nurse have successfully managed the patient's appointment. So now I will explain the primary flow of the use case. The use case starts after the actors log into their account. They can choose either they want to make appointment or edit appointment. So if they choose to edit appointment, the system will display the current patient's appointment details for them. So what they should do is to select the appointment rows first, then they want to click the update or delete button. Either they want to delete the duplicated appointment or they want to do the corrections of the appointment details. The exception may occur when the no rows is selected. Then, otherwise, the system will display the updated appointment details. The use case and okay. Or the next one is if they choose to make appointment, the actors should enter the patient details before click the make an appointment button. So if the text box is not empty, the appointment is created, but the system will check the appointment details entered to avoid the duplicated appointment exception occurs. So otherwise, however, if the text box is empty, the appointment is not created, and the exception will occur, display the message that all the text box fields are required to fill in. So if the appointment details entered is not redundant with the other starter, the system will display the latest appointment list. So next, I will explain the alternative flow to update the patient's appointment details. They should enter the appointment details before they click the update button. So after they click the update button, the message will be displayed that the appointment detail has been updated in the editing appointment details. And also delete the appointment. They can view and click the appointments row, then click the delete button. The message will be pop up to show that the appointment already been deleted. The use case will continue. So this is our activity diagram to manage appointment. This I already explained before, so I will proceed to the next use case. The next use case is to manage the medicine inventory. So the actor for the managed medicine inventory use case is pharmacist and manager. This use case describes the flow to update and edit and delete medicine inventory like the one before, just the medicine inventory, and another one is appointment. So the precondition is also the same, which is to log in into the system, and the post condition is they has successfully managed the medicine inventory. So now I will explain the primary role of this use case. The use case starts when the actors open the medicines inventory screen from the main menu. After they log in, they can click the insert button to add new inventory into the database. The exception may be occurs when empty input is detected and be checked by the system. And also they can select a row which has the wrong information to delete or edit. Either they want to update or delete the data from the database. So another exception will be occurs, which display the error message, no row is selected before clicking the button. So after they click the button, the system will display the information updated, edited, and deleted by the actor, and ends the use case. The first one is insert inventory. The actor will select the insert button or click the insert button. Then the inventory update form will be appeared, and they require or requested to fill all the right information about the medicine. Then the system will display to the actor that the order has been successfully updated into the database. The use case continues when the second one is update inventory. They should choose the row of the medicine inventory table and click the update button. Then the system will display a medicine details form that consists of medicine list, and they have to key in the latest information about the medicine. The system will display to the actor that the order has been successfully updated. And the last one is delete inventory. The actor will choose the row of medicine inventory table. Then they click for the delete button, and also the system will display the actor that the order has been deleted. The next one is the activity diagram, and this is also the same as the previous primary flow that I have already explained before. So I will proceed to the last use case. So the last use case is the update or delete staff records in staff accounts management. So in this use case, the actors is only the managers to check the list of staff who is on duties and edit or remove the staff. So the precondition is the manager could see all the staff lists with position, edit staff records, or remove staff from the list if the staff is resigned. So after this use case ends, the manager could see all the staff lists with positions and remove them from the list if the staff is resigned. Same as the previous one, I will explain the primary flaw of this use case first. The use case starts when the actors search the staff by name or position. So they will enter the name or position into the text box and click the button search. The exception might occur to show the error message and requires them to enter some value into the text box. So the second one is they click one of the lines and edit or remove the staff from the list. If they want to edit the staff, they can choose the staff in the table and click the button edit, so the staff details form will be shown. Okay, the exception might occur when they no choose a line from the table. And also for the remove button, if they want to remove the staff from the table, they can click on the button remove first and they change the status to resign so that the managers can remove them from the table. They both can change the status or whether they are on duty or in activity. The next one is the alternative flaw of this use case. They can search the staff by name or position by the manager. So the manager will enter the name of the staff or the position first. Then he will click the button search, and the system will sort the name or positions and list all the staff regarding the name or position that is entered by him. So the second one is to remove the staff from the list. So the manager will choose one of the lines from the table regarding the staff and click the remove button. The system will remove the staff details from the list, but it will not delete the details from the database. But it will change the status of the staff to resign. And the table will sort and only show the staffs who are in duty or in activity status. The last one is update the staff details. The manager will choose one of the lines from the tables regarding the staff and click the edit button. When they click the button, a form will appear on the screen with all the current details. The reset button will be displayed and used to reset all the values. After editing the details, the manager will click confirm button to update the details. Okay, so the last one is testing technique. So for the first one of the technique is integration testing. So this is used to test the interaction and integration between the different system modules. This can ensure the system modules such as patient records and appointment scheduling will work together seamlessly. So for the second one is the functional testing. So this is used to verify that the system functions based on the specified functional requirements. So the testing each functional aspect of the clinic management system, such as managing patients' records and staff accounts involving the creating, updating and deleting actions, and also as well as the scheduling appointments. So for the last one is the regression testing. So in these testing techniques, we retest the previously tested functionalities to ensure that the new changes or fixes will not introduce the new issues or regression into the system. So this can help to maintain the overall system stability and reliability.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Teacher Ming, and I would like to continue with the system architecture. So for system architecture, we choose layer architecture as our software architecture because layer pattern architecture structure is a structured program that can be decomposed into group or subtasks. So they reduce the dependency since the function was separate from the other layers. So it's simple and easy to apply, and its cost overhead is low. And we are not using web-based, so we are using this one is the most suitable for our system. So this is our class diagram. As you can see, we got inventory, staff, and patient. So for our interface design, so we got 4 actors inside this system, four actors in this system. So we can see this nurse, and this is what they can do, and doctor, of pharmacists and manager. This all what they can do. So this is our ERD. So you can see staff is the super type in this system, and so we got nurse and pharmacist and doctor. So this is all for the SDD. So for the configuration management, so the configuration management, I would like to give a scenario for the additional requirements. So like, because we are doing this system in UTeM clinic management system, so they need to add on one requirement like, okay, for if outsider they coming inside, they're using our facilities and they need to pay. So we need to add on this payment page. So add on one more payment page for outsider. We need to produce the bill and invoice. So we need to have the plan how and where we should add on this page. So we need more time to produce a new version of system that fulfill the requirement, and the cost will be increased. This is our configuration management. That's all from me. Thank you.